How to make photo album and add photos on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Photos app. Now at the bottom you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of albums. Once you're in the albums page, at the top left corner you can find this plus icon. Click on it. You will see the option of new album or new folder. Click on the option of new album. Now give a name to your new album. Then click on save. Just for that you have created the album, now you can add photos or videos to that album. Once you are done selecting the videos and photos, click on add. And with that your album has been created. Clicking on this plus icon, you are able to add more photos and videos to this album. Well, this way you can easily make photo album and add photos on iPhone. By following the same steps, you can easily create all the photo albums. Well, that's a wrap for this video. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.